Today, I'm going to teach you how to create serial numbers in Airtable. This is incredibly useful when you need to assign unique identifiers to your records, whether you're tracking inventory, managing orders, or organizing any kind of database where each entry needs its own distinct number. First, open your browser and navigate to airtable.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that contains the base you want to work with. After logging in, you'll land on your Airtable homepage where you can see all your bases. Look through your available bases and click on the one where you want to create serial numbers. This could be a project tracker, customer database, or any other base where unique identifiers would be helpful. Once your base is open, take a look at your table structure. Navigate to the last column in your table and you'll notice a plus icon right beside it. Click on this plus icon to add a new field. This is where we'll start building our serial number system. A search field will appear where you can look for different field types. Type in auto number and select it from the options that appear. Now, you'll want to name this field something simple and clear, like ID. Once you've entered the name, click Create Field to confirm. This new column will now automatically generate a unique number for each record in your table, creating the foundation for our serial numbers. Now that you have your ID column set up, it's time to create the actual serial numbers with proper formatting. Click the plus icon again to add another new field. This time, search for formula in the field type options and click on it to select it. Give this new field a descriptive name like serial number so you can easily identify it later. This is where the magic happens. In the formula field that appears, type in the following formula: right left parenthesis, single quote 0000, single quote space ampersand ID comma space for right parenthesis. This formula takes your ID number and adds leading zeros to create a properly formatted serial number. The 0000 part determines how many digits your serial numbers will have, and the 4 inches at the end specifies the total length. The great thing about this formula is that you can customize it to fit your needs. If you want longer serial numbers, simply adjust the number of zeros in the single quotes. For example, if you want 5-digit serial numbers, you'd use 00000 and change the final number to 5. And that's it. You now have a functioning serial number system in Airtable that automatically generates formatted sequential numbers for all your records. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.